guys, welcome back to my channel, GH Official. So ngayon guys, is kakatapos ko lang maligo. Then, good morning sa inyong lahat guys. Then ngayon guys, is kakatapos ko lang maligo. Then, papunta na ako sa work. Then, i-ano natin yung mga kasamahan natin sa trabaho na mag-English challenge for today. English challenge mag-English challenge kami ngayon guys, kung sino yung bulol na magsasalita ng English. Parang ako na. Char. So ngayon guys is mag-English challenge kami. Kaming tatlong babae. Kami lang naman yung tatlong babae nasa work namin guys, kasi yung iba puro boy, then mga bata pa din. Kami yung tatlong babae, mag-i-English challenge kami. I-challenge ko sila. Challenge. Then ako pala yung bulol. So ngayon guys is magbibihis pa ako kasi lang ako dito guys. Then ngayon is magbibihis pa ako guys. Papunta na ako sa work. Then nandito pa nga yung tuwalya sa loob ko. Then ngayon guys is huwag nyo namang kalimutan i-subscribe ang aking YouTube channel para updated kayo sa aking mga video guys, at palagi kayong makapanood sa mga upload ko araw-araw kasi daily vlog yung ginagawa ko. Then salamat nga pala sa inyong lahat guys sa mga suporta nyo sa akin, kasi lumalaki yung views natin araw-araw at may nagsusubscribe din paunti-unti. So salamat sa inyong lahat guys, and intro.
Hi guys, welcome to my daily vlog, GH Official, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming mga video.
It first because she is we eat first because my co-workers is not here, and she is not his stomach is empty and she going eat. So let's join our eat. So let's go guys, let's go eat breakfast guys before going to work. And Ate Denise is not here. She's go there and go back. So now. So let's eat now and join with us. So we don't have it now because there's no carinderia here. She close. No carinderia here in our area. So let's eat bread. Di ba tayo bread?
Bread. Eat nami.
Maligaw ako atong content. So let's buy a bread because the stomach of Ate Desiree is empty. So
Stomach. back.
Watch
Now,
and learn. This is our bread. It's pineapple bread. And how old are you, Ate Desiree?
Huh?
How old are you?
50.
She is 50 years old. She is 50 years of age. And where do you live? And where do you live, Ate Desiree?
Debra.
So guys, Ate Desiree is not here again. And
Now. Die.
the sales lady is, she is told to me that the bread is chocolate, but no chocolate inside. It's a bread only. Ate Desiree, small chocolate only in outside, in inside on the bread. And we back again here in area. And today guys is Ate Denise is not here. She will not go to work. Ate Desiree, right?
Now.
Right?
Now. Right? Right.
Huh?
Right or right?
Ate Denise is not going work for today because we don't know. And only the two of us. Seryoso.
English? English paka? English care.
And today is I'm gonna show you how tumbling. I love it like
Nauga ako. Nakalimutan ko sa English. No na lang to yung English nga nadumduman. Tawag ang panjot sa memory.
So I'll wait for Ate Denise.
May English.
So Kuya Ryan, why you are late? Answer in English.
Because English na bitaw tato. Mukong giputol. Basta. Mauna. Oh, because this yataki. Oh, yo. Oh,
Answer in English.
I'm late because I'm you know na.
So guys, Ate Denise is
Coming soon. Waiting for soon or waiting for another soon. Soon. In Sansan.
So, Ate Denise, why your ano karon pa man ka?
I am very much sorry that I am very not late. Wow, charot. Friend, gikan ba ko sa office, nag-submit ko sa among...
English only.
Wait, mag-search ako. Nalubat ko! Nalubat ko dahil kayo.
Kaming Ate Denise.
Sir, ako nang
Is continue to my content.
what is our content for today?
English only.
What is our content for today?
English only.
A big stone.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
So this is Ate Desiree. Ate Desiree?
Balot na kami. Nga siya, disiri ko.
Nag-English ba kanina? Maputol-putol yan.
Aba, gao ba na to siya? Iba na sa di. Uy, ato pa na sa kamera. Siya, nidagan ni Anas kamera. Uy, ato pa ang anak.
So, let's continue challenge.
What is our challenge for today, ma'am?
English only challenge.
English.
No
Bisaya.
No Bisaya, no Tagalog.
Only English. What do you want?
Guys, this is Ate Denise Diano.
I am not fluently to speak English, but a little.
A little bit English. And Ate Desiree is
There. Okay, guys, we are here waiting for some of our
Miguel, English only
what they call that, kauban ba? Some of our team. sorry. Loading pa, my mind is so very much loading. We are here in our areas and we're waiting for somebody. And after that, we will go to the river to start cleaning the area. Okay, guys? Okay? And now, look at this area. Got a sack.
Yati na nosebleed naman ko.
Change attire. Remove the shoes. Shoes. Everybody.
Shoot everybody. So where's my kuhit?
Baka naman. Isa ba?
Ate Desiree, where's my kuhit? Yes.
Saan na? Dito ka daan naman.
My kuhit is where's kuhit?
Ay, di, awahin naman siya.
So here we go. Uy. It's your go home. Go home na. It's go home. Ate Denise, it's go home. What? What?
The admin says yesterday that our salary for 4 days is 10 ready, but still waiting for our DPR. She's processing our
And we don't have salary.
ID as well. Okay? Satisfied?
Uy.
Wala, sabak ko nung English. Sorry, sir.
English speaking. Dayan?
That's it.
Is
Sumagka.
my shoes. Kanang.
My shoes is size for the windy. If
So
there is
let's-
somebody give shoes, my shoe size is 4.5. That's a size of children size.
Hoy, English only.
Yes.
English only lagi.
I'm very much, I'm sorry.
Okay ra yan.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye. We're going to our area now.
So let's end our vlog and
See you later, guys.
see you tomorrow.
Maybe next month I can make my vlog.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
And for now guys,
Adi, ang sakto.
for now guys is let's end our vlog because Tidines, Tirisiri.
So, guys.
Let's end our vlog because we go to
start
work.
cleaning now.
We start clean to river now.
Rivers, my house.
And
Mataas.
don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming mga video. Bye!